Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Twitter or X feed to your Wix website. So let's go to the Twitter first or X first. After go to your X website, you have to go to your profile. Then you will find here on top your URL. You have to copy this URL and you have to open a browser and write here publish.twitter.com. Go to this website publish.twitter.com, then you'll find here enter a URL. So you have to paste that URL what you have copied from there. Now click on enter. Now choose this one, embed timeline. Now put here your thing and copy. You can see here a code, HTML code is here. You have to copy this one. After copy, you can set customization if you want. You can change your height, width. Then you can change the look you want. You can change the language. Everything you can change. After that, now go to your Wix editor page. Then scroll down. You'll find here add section. Click on add a section. Now click on blank section. Here's the blank section. Now you have to click on this plus icon. Choose embed code. Then you'll find here embed HTML. Now you can see here a box. Before that, you can see here what do you want to add. HTML, you have to choose the code. Okay, now you have to paste that code what you have copied from there. Now click on update. Now you can see that your X has been embedded here. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.